up, boys? Back with another video, another POV. You know the grind don't stop, man. My boy's up here right now. We just ran into him. He called me up. He seen me. Hell yeah, bro. What's good with you? Hey, you know, we was just shooting some content, you know.
Yeah, shoot some content. All right, quick.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show y'all his whip. You know, he got the 335 too. Hey, still in work in progress. I'll pop the hood on him. I'll show you what he working with. So he actually has my old kit. He actually has my old bottom mount kit. His head's a little forked up. Hold on. Hey, how you open your hood, man? But yeah, he actually has my old kit, my old bottom mount kit. I'm gonna show y'all. I gotta pop it. But yeah, so 3D5. He has the my bottom mount DR700. So y'all remember this? This was on my old setup. So if y'all remember, this was on my car. But hey, she's sitting right. And we gotta go for a drive soon, bro.
I'll go right now. Nothing crazy though, just a little pull or whatever.
Hey, it's good. We can just mob back. It's good.
I gotta meet somebody else.
It's good. We're gonna do a little drive.
He is faster than me, so I'm not gonna be doing anything.
Hey, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? We just here for the. It's gonna be cool for the, you know, for the eardrums. You know, for the eardrums. You know. So that is my old kit. I actually haven't heard that kit from the outside perspective, so that's gonna be pretty interesting. I don't know where he going. We going this way. So it is M54 with the DR700. He's on low boost right now. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Really haven't seen my boy. There we go. Oh, damn. This thing be popping. Okay. He's still a work in progress, so he did throw that kit on. He still got to get a new hood. He actually picked that car up for, like, to believe it or not, guys, how much y'all think he picked that car up for? Damn. He actually picked that car for a really good price. A really good price. And then he put that single turbo kit on it. So, not bad. For honestly, for how much he spent on that car, and for honestly doing the single turbo kit, hey, not bad. The single turbo kit wasn't cheap though, but hey, well, not the kit, but the installation, all that other stuff, but. That thing do be spooling up though. So his dump is recirculating, so that's why you don't hear all that noise is coming from that, you know, from you know, underneath the car, because it is the dump is recirculating back into the exhaust, so it's not as crazy loud as this is. But he do got little burbles though. I didn't know he had the burbles like that on that. Oh, y'all hear that? Hey, you got the burbles. Oh, hey, I didn't know you had the burbles. I didn't know you had the burbles. Oh. Huh? Huh? Let's pull into there under the light. I'm gonna get a little thumbnail, a little pic of us. And then honestly, I'll come back this way and then.
Okay.
But hey.
In front of me so you can go.
Yeah, it's good. Hey, we gonna have to, bro.
I'm finna take it back to him so we can, you know, it's still not all the way up. It's still the same. He didn't do that. He did my brakes though and shit.
Yeah.
After that, hell yeah.
Hey.
I haven't really punched it like that.
No, that's what I'm saying. Hey, once you're set, bro, we'll do I'm telling you, we'll do a video.
Yeah.
We'll do a video. I mean, this is just like little little teaser for them, you know?
I seen you just put one up 2 weeks ago.
Shit, you haven't been checking like that. Two back to back.
I saw it, yeah.
Huh?
I saw it.
One yesterday?
Yesterday and then 2 weeks ago. I saw both of them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw
Hey, it says no you. We doing it or what?
We got to.
I know, huh?
Motherfucker goddamn go all the way around.
I know, huh? It says no 2E, no 2E.
Doing that shit, bro.
All right. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. 335s back to back. Can't get better than that. Can't get better than that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. All right, boy. Oh, that boy got them burbles though. Woo. All right, boy. That boy gone. Stay tuned. More content's on the way. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. More content to come, man. Hey, that was a random surprise. I wasn't expecting to see my boy like that. He was at the gas station. We saw each other. Hey, content right there, man. Definitely stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. You got my girl looking pretty right there. Sitting pretty. But hey, definitely stay tuned. More content on the way. Hit that notification bell. Comment down below. More video ideas. And hey, what you like about this video. But hey, stay tuned, more content to come, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.